We're so excited for everybody to see it, and we are so thankful that this movie is out. We're so grateful for the opportunity, and to be able to deliver this movie to you is such a wonderful feeling that you guys will be able to watch how love is vast. Love is strong. Love is something that will never be beaten, even through the test of time.
Yes, February 24, 25, February 25, please, starting February 25 until she remembers. Please tell your friends and families about it. Yes, so that we can all experience the movie.
I'm inviting everyone to watch Until She Remembers, February 25 now showing. Bring your friends, bring your family, kasi this movie is very relevant, not only sa mga youth, but also sa past. It's a commentary of society, and we can learn a lot of lessons from it. So please do come see it.
Derek?
Feb 25 po. Panoorin natin ang pelikula. Salamat po.
Sir Albert po?
To everyone, don't forget to like, share, and comment.
And hashtag Until She Remembers. Okay, Barbie?
Again, nagpapasalamat po ako sa lahat na nagpunta ngayon. Sana po ay paingayan ho natin ang aming pelikulang Until She Remembers. At ang showing po ng aming pelikula ay mag-uumpisa ng February 25. Pero araw-arawin niyo po ang pagpanood. Isama niyo po ang buong pamilya niyo, ang lola niyo, ang jowa niyo, ang barkada niyo. Starting February 25. Thank you so much.
Mabot?
We are grateful. Magpa-plug din po ako. Commercial po ito. Yun po ang pamagat ng libro ko that we launched on my birthday. Thank you. We are grateful to all of you for supporting this film by way of coming to the premiere tonight, for spreading the word for our media friends about this ahead of the play date, and for ang ating mga celebrity friends na nagpunta rito, no, na it took time off from taping, shooting. Si Ding Dong Dantes na taping yata, si Alden Richards, nandito si Enchong Lee, si Bea Binene, and several others. Na alam po natin busy sila, but they took time out to show their support for us. Sa inyo po maraming salamat, family and friends, and please spread the word around. Kung gusto po ninyong i-marites ninyo ito, paki-marites na rin sa tamang paraan. Thank you.
And last but definitely not the least, Ma'am Charles Santos Corso.
Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat sa pagdalo ninyo sa premiere ng Until She Remembers. It's a beautiful film. Sana po ay naantig ang inyong mga puso. Sana po ay naramdaman ninyo ang lalim ng pagmamahal ni Concha at ni Catherine, and it's a wonderful experience that we hope you will share with your friends and family. At ang pagmamahal din ng isang apo at ang pagbubukas ng kanyang kaalaman sa tunay na kahulugan ng pagmamahal ay isang bagay na magandang ibahagi sa ating mga kabataan. So maraming salamat po sa inyo. To all our friends, celebrity friends who came over, maraming salamat.